How have Korean dramas influenced Philippines industry? Do you still remember Master Grand? It was one of the most popular and memorable Asian dramas broadcast in the Philippines. When it was shown on television, most teens at the time were urged to go to home to watch the episodes. Since then, BulSU-CoEd Asian dramas have been emerging and presently Korean dramas are one of the most popular in Asia, if not around the world. Many children, teens, and even adults have adored Korean dramas even since they were introduced in the Philippines in 2000. Philippines have always been welcoming of foreign trendys and culture. As such, Korean culture and trends and seen in Korean dramas have invaded and been deployed, rooted in the Philippines society today. Korean dramas have greatly influenced to food, fashion, cosmetics, music, and entertainment into as well as people's wills and preferences. How have Korean dramas influenced Philippines industry?
The learner was misread the word Korean to Korean, the word dramas to dramas, the word influenced to influenced.
Do you still remember Master Grand?
The learner was misread the word meteor to monster.
It was one of the most popular and memorable Asian dramas broadcast in the Philippines.
The learner was misread the word Asian to Asian. The learner was misread the word broadcast to broadcast.
When it was shown on television, most teens at the time
The learner was misread the word teens to tense, time to team.
were urged to go to home to watch the episodes.
The learner was misread the words "war" to "wear", "eager" to "urge".
Since then, BulSU-CoEd Asian dramas have been emerging and
The learner was misread the word "various" to "versus". The learner misread the words "Asian" to "Asian", and the learner misread the word "emerging" to "imagine".
presently Korean dramas are one of the most popular in Asia.
The learner misread the word "Korean" to "Korean". The learner misread the word Asia to Asa.
If not around the world, many children, teens, and even adults
The learner misread the word many to marry, and the second time is correct. And the learner misread the word kings to tens again, and the words adults to adults.
have addressed Korean dramas even since. These were introduced in the Philippines in 2000.
The learner misread the word adore to attract, and then he misread the crayon to crane, dramas to dramas, ever to even, word to wear, introduced to introduced.
Philippines have always been welcoming of for foreign trendys and culture.
The learner misread the word Filipinos to Philippines, and he also misread the word foreign to foreign, trends to trendies. He misread the word culture to glue culture.
As such, Korean culture and trends and seen in Korean
And he also misread the word such to such, Korean to Korean, and again the words culture to culture, and the word trends to trendy.
dramas have invented and been deployed, rooted in the Philippines society today.
Learner misread the word invaded to invaded, and he also misread the word deeply to deploy, the word rooted to rooted, and he also accidentally added the letter S at the end of the word Philippine. Learner misread the word society to society, and today to today.
Korean dramas have greatly influenced to food, fashion, cosmetics, music, and entertainment into
Learner misread the word influence to inclusive, and he misused the word to instead of the. And the learner misread the word cosmetics to cosmetics. Learner misread the word entertainment to entertainment. Learner misread the word industries to industry.
as well as people's wills and preferences.
Learner misread the word preferences to preferences.